The highly anticipated iPad Pro of 2025, powered by Apple's M5 chip, is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and visually stunning tablets ever released. Apple is preparing for an October debut, and while the outer design remains familiar to those who've seen or used last year's iPad Pro, the changes happening inside this new model bring a whole new level of performance, display technology, and user experience. For those who demand speed, creative flexibility, and an uncompromising display, this device is designed to deliver in every possible way. One of the most noticeable changes is in the camera system. Apple has decided to equip the iPad Pro with dual 12-megapixel front-facing cameras, an unusual but forward-thinking move. One lens is optimized for portrait use while the other is designed specifically for landscape orientation. This eliminates the awkward experience of trying to adjust the tablet during video calls depending on how you're holding it. Whether you're chatting with friends in portrait mode or joining a professional meeting in landscape orientation, the iPad intelligently adapts to give you the best framing. The front cameras also handle selfies with an impressive new level of detail, even in low-light environments, thanks to Apple's improved night mode features. On the back, the iPad still carries its 12-megapixel wide camera paired with a 3D LiDAR scanner. The scanner has been enhanced this year to capture greater detail and precision, which makes it an indispensable tool for augmented reality, architectural work, and content creation that requires accurate depth mapping. The performance leap comes courtesy of the M5 chip. Apple has once again leaned on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm M3P process to manufacture this processor, and the results are remarkable. With a boost of 15 to 25% over the previous generation, the M5 brings noticeable improvements in speed, efficiency, and graphics performance. This means smoother multitasking, faster load times, and the ability to handle resource-intensive apps like 3D design software, high-resolution video editing suites, and AI-level games with ease. The neural engine has also been upgraded, ensuring advanced AI-driven features, from photo enhancements to machine learning tasks, perform seamlessly. Combined with Wi-Fi 7 for lightning-fast wireless speeds, Bluetooth 5.4 for improved connectivity with accessories, and 5G capabilities on cellular models powered by Qualcomm modems, this tablet is built to stay ahead of connectivity demands for years to come. The display may be one of the most exciting aspects of this year's iPad Pro refresh. Apple is introducing tandem OLED panels across both the 11-inch and 13-inch models, finally moving the smaller iPad Pro away from LCD technology. These Ultra Retina displays run at 120 Hz, ensuring buttery-smooth animations and responsiveness that feels almost instantaneous. Brightness levels peak at an astonishing 2000 nits, which is a huge jump compared to last year and makes viewing outdoors in direct sunlight a far more comfortable experience. Beyond brightness, color accuracy has also been tuned to near perfection, appealing to photographers, designers, and video editors who rely on precise visuals. The panels are also engineered with improved scratch resistance, which should keep the screens looking sharp even after years of use without a protector. Interestingly, despite the performance gains, Apple has decided to keep the battery capacities the same as last year. The 11-inch model carries a 7,538 mAh battery, while the 13-inch model comes with a 10,290 mAh pack. While some might be disappointed not to see bigger numbers, the efficiency of the M5 chip should help extend usage times in real-world scenarios. Apple's tight hardware-software integration often means battery life remains stable or even improves slightly with each new generation, even when battery sizes remain constant. This is crucial for professionals who use their iPads throughout the day for meetings, creative projects, and entertainment without being tethered to a charger. Beyond raw hardware, Apple has made software and AI-driven enhancements that bring the iPad Pro experience to new heights. The tracking system now leverages advanced computer vision algorithms combined with machine learning models to recognize and follow multiple objects in real time. Powered by convolutional neural networks, the cameras can lock onto moving subjects and maintain sharp focus even during chaotic action scenes or fast-paced sports footage. For portrait photography, this ensures that subjects remain perfectly sharp with beautifully blurred backgrounds, creating a natural and immersive depth effect. For video, it makes shooting dynamic clips feel effortless as the camera intelligently adapts to what's happening in the frame. Another subtle but impactful change is in how the device handles safety and situational awareness. Apple has integrated a suite of obstacle detection and sensing technologies, which work alongside the front-facing cameras to provide users with greater awareness when navigating crowded spaces or using the iPad in unfamiliar environments. While this might sound like overkill for a tablet, it's clear that Apple is envisioning the iPad Pro as a device that isn't just used at a desk or couch, but one that accompanies professionals and creatives everywhere. Storage and memory have also been given attention. While last year's 11-inch iPad Pro shipped with 8 GB of RAM and the 13-inch with 10 GB, the new M5 iPad Pro standardizes things by offering a full 16 GB of RAM across both models. This ensures smooth multitasking and keeps heavy apps running without frequent reloads. Storage options now reach up to an incredible 2 TB, making it a real powerhouse for anyone dealing with massive video projects, professional-grade photo libraries, or large-scale design files. This level of capacity pushes the iPad Pro firmly into laptop replacement territory for those who rely on a cloud but also need substantial offline storage. The accessories lineup continues to evolve alongside the hardware. Apple is expected to refresh its keyboard and Apple Pencil options to take advantage of the new chip and display capabilities, offering lower latency input, customizable controllers, and tighter integration with professional apps. For artists and designers, this means near instantaneous response when sketching or editing. And for productivity users, it ensures typing, navigating, and multitasking feels more natural than ever before. All of these upgrades come together to make the iPad Pro 2025 one of the most balanced and future-proof tablets available. The combination of the OLED display, dual front cameras, more powerful processor, generous memory, and better AI-driven features make it stand out even in Apple's already strong lineup. The company has clearly aimed this product at professionals and creators who demand the very best from their devices. But it also offers clear benefits for everyday users who simply want a premium experience for streaming, gaming, video calling, or casual creative work. As for pricing, Apple has not yet given official details, but expectations point to a starting price that will likely remain in line with the current Pro lineup. Though the storage and connectivity options will naturally push prices higher for those who go all out. With features like OLED, Wi-Fi 7, and the M5 chip, this is unlikely to be a budget-friendly purchase. But Apple has consistently targeted the iPad Pro at users who see their tablet as an investment in productivity and creativity rather than just a casual entertainment device. Looking at the bigger picture, the M5 iPad Pro isn't just an incremental upgrade, it represents Apple's ongoing push to blur the lines between tablets and laptops. With desktop-class performance, an OLED display that rivals professional monitors, and a camera system that could outshine many smartphones, the iPad Pro 2025 doesn't just keep up with competitors. It sets a new benchmark. Whether you're a creative professional editing 8K video, a student who wants a lightweight but powerful study device, or a business user who needs secure and fast connectivity on the go, this iPad offers something uniquely compelling. Apple's October release window means we won't have to wait much longer to see this tablet in action. But even now, based on the confirmed upgrades and the leaks pointing toward massive internal changes, the M5 iPad Pro 2025 looks like one of the most exciting Apple products of the year. With unmatched display technology, the raw strength of the M5 processor, expanded camera systems, and the entrance of familiar battery capacities enhanced by improved efficiency, it's hard not to imagine this device becoming the go-to choice for anyone who wants the very best tablet experience.